This is the week 6 update for the Belleville water main replacement project. Progress has been going really well. Last week we got all the pipe in the ground and got the connections all done on all 4 corners. The weather has been outstanding throughout the project. We haven't lost a single day due to rain. The next steps on the project are to flush the water mains, turn the water on and let some water flow through the pipe. That way we can wash out any sediment that had built up in the pipe during construction. Then we'll disinfect the pipes with a chlorine solution to purify it before we end up putting water through it. Then sampling takes place. We send the samples in to the lab to have them tested. And once we get the sample results back, then we're going to start with service connections.
So other than making sure the water at the treatment plant is safe, we also have to make sure that it's safe out in the distribution system. We do this by collecting around 120 samples per month, and we look at key indicators like temperature and disinfectant residual.
Safety is the #1 priority for American Water. That includes traffic control. You notice the fencing still in place. Crosswalks are open, but they're protected by traffic barricades and barrels, so we're doing everything we can to make sure that the public and the merchants and the workers downtown are safe.
I tell customers that I'm confident that the water is safe because I also live in the communities that we serve. My friends and family also drink this water. I stand by the water and I consume it every day.
I'd like to let the commuters know that the traffic control is still in place. It's going to be there for a few more weeks, and we're entering the home stretch soon. So this project's going to be wrapping up in weeks to come.